I'm excited to bring you Innovatio, a podcast series focused on realizing the future of flight. This podcast takes you behind the scenes of the unmanned world. You'll be introduced to some of the world's leading innovative operators, pioneers, and thought leaders. You'll receive insights on autonomous drone solutions, hear from the leading industry inspection and surveying engineers, aerial film operators who bring directors' visions to life. We'll discuss regulation and market developments, startup life in this sector, and of course, urban air mobility. Being in this industry for almost a decade, I felt it was time to share my passion for innovation with the hope to inspire the next generation. Over the years, I've achieved so much, and I'm so thankful for that. Presenting and speaking at industry-leading events, winning awards for flight safety management systems, being seen as a leading innovator and a pioneer of technology solutions, with a vast amount of experience in operational safety and risk management, has enabled me to be recognized as a passionate and enabling industry ambassador. With this experience, I've been involved in some exceptional projects, conducted flights alongside manned aviation in live environments. I was technical architect for the UK's first BVLOS corridor at Cranfield, conducted the UK's first 5G enabled drone flights, written operational safety systems for MOD swarming applications, to pioneering industry game-changing technologies powered by ETM. With the UK launching Future Flight this week, a government-backed initiative for enabling and scaling the industry, we will see some exciting projects being delivered. From drone deliveries, beyond visual line of sight applications, and to urban air mobility, it really is the time to immerse yourself in this space. So join me on my podcast journey as we unlock and dive deep into the industry and realize the future of flight. So subscribe and like across Twitter, YouTube, Spotify at Innovatio Aero for all of our weekly content updates. Let's head over to episode 2, where we will discuss autonomous drone in the box solutions with Hero Tech 8. Let's get started.